Look at that beautiful water. I forget what you call this. I'll go closer. Little waterfall. Oh. Look at the little waterfall. Am I showing it right? Where is it? Oh, there it is, the little waterfall. Look at that water. I just want to put my feet in there and relax. Oh, the birds, seagulls flying around. Look at lots of people in the park today, look. Lots of people in the park today. Look at the pigeon drinking water. Look. He's drinking some water. Oh, he's thirsty. Are you thirsty, little pigeon dear? So that's uptown. Oh, I can't touch the water. And so I'll show you some more in a bit, but isn't this beautiful? I'll step back and give you another look at it. So there we go. So beautiful. I'm gonna go sit down now in the shade. I'm in a leather sweat and drink some water. So I'll come on in a bit. I'll see you with another video. Enjoy all my videos, guys. I love sharing my hometown with you all.